Do you think ENJO will clean these? He says. Well, yes it will. That. Outdoor sponge, damp, a little bit marble paste. Circular motions. Dry away ENJO fill. Job done. Job made really easy. Just that damp sponge, not even needing to really scrub the trainers, just letting the marble paste just loosen all that muck, and that outdoor sponge will just pick it all up. These jobs are an absolute doddle. This is totally safe. The kids can be cleaning their own shoes as well because there's no chemicals. It's totally plant-based. And this can be used for a range of jobs around the house and around the garden. A tub of that marble paste is going to replace bottles and tubs of some of the most toxic products under your sink. It is an absolute essential from ENJO. Quick try with the ENJO fill. Easy. Job done.